Good morning, everybody. It is a superb Sunday here in Hawaii. Day 75, baby. Let's go. First off, we're gonna open up for everybody. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that was the Baba Huddle. Right now we're about to go do our DVIT, check our vehicles, see if they're good to go. Shoot it. Alrighty. We are checking our vehicle right now, making sure everything is good and safe. So far so good on my buddy Simon. He's been taking care of me for the last couple weeks, so love this van. Nothing seems to be out of the ordinary. Loving this van. So we got 288 packages today. We're gonna try to knock that off and do some rescue if possible, because I have e-hole place. It's gonna be kind of tricky, but I'm gonna do my best to get everything done before the sun goes down. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's how much I have today. I have 20 overflows and wow, 18 plus 3 tote bags is 21 bags. We'll see what it can do. Let's see what it can do. So today I got 4 carts. 4 carts of packages, and yeah. Oh, 13 compliments just from the last route so far. Okay, I'll see you. Before I head out, I just want to say thank you, Devin Coons. Thank you for helping me load up. Plenty loads today. Ooh, ladies and gentlemen, we at Hero Place, and we got a lot over here. So this is what's gonna hold me back, but part of the job. Let's go. You know, y'all better be taking a break, because you need to. You know, take a break. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I stay filling up. I just got to the gas station and what happened?
Just say locked out of my van, bro. I was sitting here for 20 minutes.
he locked himself out of his van. So now
Not even funny.
he needs to buy everybody food.
It was kind of quick. I just kind of.
Hey. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we made it back. Silver right here. Got Francis back there. Got Kevin right here. Got Eminem back there. Francis is closing tonight, so everything should be smooth, right?
Francis lets everybody get away with everything.
Don't say that, you.